Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Astro Pal. Today what we are going to discuss about is the basic introduction of a horoscope. So this is going to be our first lesson in the astrology series. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is what a normal horoscope looks like. This one is North Indian style. So a horoscope has these blocks. They are 12 in total. They are called houses. So you can see the house where number 1 is written remains the most important house. Okay, it is called ascendant or first house. Counting of houses, they start from ascendant only. So this house represents the east direction. So hence it is also called rising house because sun rises in the east and our life begins every morning with rising of sun. So everything begins with ascendant house and astrology. So as you can see, there are total 12 houses in a horoscope as shown here in picture. So each house is 30 degrees long. So there is a reason behind it which I am going to explain you now. So use simple calculations. Multiply 30 degrees with 12. That comes out as 360 degrees. Now what are these 360 degrees? It is sky over our head. Yeah, you heard me right. So horoscope is nothing but the division of sky overhead in 12 parts. This is how a basic horoscope was thought of by ancient astrologers. They divided the sky in 12 parts and called these parts as houses and then started assigning departments or portfolios to each of the houses, which included every aspect of our life. That is from our life path, which is indicated by our first house, to our family, which is indicated by our second house, to marriage, which is indicated by 7th house, and even work environment, which is denoted by our 10th house. So each house represents different things. Okay, I hope you all got a gist of how a normal horoscope looks like. Now let us talk further. So as I stated that each house represents different things. So let me give you a detailed explanation about this. So the first house, which is nothing but our ascendant, it represents our self, which is our life path. Our second house represents our family. Third house represents our siblings. Fourth house represents our family, even our mother. Fifth house represents spirituality, the karma that we have carried from our past life. Sixth house represents enemies, our service life. 7th house represents marriage, partnerships. 8th house represents transformation, death. It is a spiritual house. 9th house represents our higher education and even our dad, our parents, especially our father. 10th house represents our work environment, our career. 10th house is very important when career is concerned. 11th house represents income gains from our career and 12th house is higher level of spirituality. So now you all have a clear idea of how all these 12 houses are and what all things they represent. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discuss about Western horoscope and Vedic astrology. And then later on we will talk further about different yogas and planetary placements and how they impact our lives. Stay tuned for the next chapters. Till then, thank you, bye bye. And if you really found this information useful, then please like and share my video. Thank you so much guys. Thanks.